We have got some exciting news. We are selling our villa that is on the Silver Coast of Portugal. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home. This home, it has been an amazing investment, but you have the opportunity to use it as your primary residence or even continue using it as an investment property because the short-term rental license is transferable. And this is the other cool thing about this property is that behind our villa, we have a plot of land where we've located our tiny house. And our tiny house is also available as an option to purchase when you purchase the villa. But you know, I could talk all day about just how amazing this home is. I think the tour is gonna speak for itself. And so without further ado, let's get into touring the villa that we have for sale on the Silver Coast of Portugal.
So here is our home. Inside, you'll find 4 spacious bedrooms, 3 modern bathrooms, and a kitchen designed to actually work for everyday life. Other features include a large living room and dining room, family and entertainment space, separate laundry room, art room, library, and garage. Moving into this villa offers a true turnkey experience. Like we mentioned, it comes with a short-term rental AL license, meaning it's fully approved to operate as a short-term rental here in Portugal, and the license is transferable. That gives you incredible flexibility. Live here full-time as your primary home, rent it out on Airbnb or Booking.com, or do a combination. The villa is just outside of Leiria, a major city in Portugal, with public schools nearby and 20 minutes from an international K-12 Cambridge curriculum English-speaking school. So whether you're looking for a private family home, a vacation retreat, or a turnkey investment, this villa truly checks every box. Just beyond the main villa, on the rustic rear portion of the property, sits our one-of-a-kind luxury tiny house on wheels. The tiny house itself can be optionally purchased. It includes 2 loft bedrooms with queen-size beds, 1 modern bathroom with full shower, sink, and toilet, open concept kitchen, living, and dining area, and a private patio with serene garden views. The tiny house also features air conditioning, high-speed Wi-Fi, and self-check-in. Already a proven Airbnb favorite with a 4.8 star rating across 50+ reviews, this fully equipped tiny home offers a rare 2-for-1 opportunity. Now, one thing to note about this tiny home and then also the main villa is that, like we said before, they are already Airbnb rentals, and we also have all of the systems in place, like the cleaners, the people that take care of the yard. We can also share all that information with the new buyers.
So that is the tour of our villa and tiny house on the Silver Coast of Portugal. If you guys are interested in learning more about the villa and tiny house, check out the link in the description below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and join the journey.